Greetings, salutations YouTube, itsHadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. I'm here today with a haul video, so if you guys love haul videos, thrifting videos, vlogs, and all that fun stuff, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the little bell button for notifications. Add me on Instagram, itsHadrian, just like it's spelled here, for more behind the scenes thrifting action and just like my life in general. And check out my shop at itsHadrian.com to see what I have for sale from my thrifting adventures. But without further ado, let's get into this haul. I got some pretty good stuff and I cannot wait to share it with you. Oh, but if you guys would like to see the thrifting video for this particular haul, hit the little eye right there. That window will pop out and you can select that video there, and I'll have playlists for my other thrifting videos, haul videos, handbag rehabs, and vlogs. But without further ado, let's get into this haul because I cannot wait to share with you guys what I ended up getting. Okay, so first of all, I got these wooden blocks. I got 3 of them. These 2, and then like a kind of like a larger one. I love these. Like, I like to use them to like create heights on a table. You can put like a vase on them, or like, you know, like decorative things. These were $2.99. The big one was $2.99 and these smaller ones were $1.99 each. They're from Art Minds and they are birch pillars. I don't know if they're, I think they might actually be like just like from the actual tree. Like just like cut and then yeah, so they're really cool. I like them a lot. I also have some birch candles that I can pair with these as well. So I think we can do something really cool with these. Perfect for like spring. I usually use them like around winter time, but you can use these like any time of the year. Like trees and stuff like that are always in season. So I always pick up like, I don't know, little decorative things like that. Always like use them to like make. You can use them to create different heights on a table, like I said. You can use them, 2 of the smaller ones, you can put them together and then you can put like a platter on top of it to make like a little stand for your food if you want to like create different heights on a table. If you're like having a buffet style dinner or just having everything in the center of the table, just create visual interest by using stacks of those things. So I think that's cool. The next thing I have here, now if you guys have watched any of my vlogs, you know that I really do love Totoro and like pretty much Miyazaki films in general. I know there's a couple of you guys out there that also enjoy Totoro as much as I do. And John, my brother, loves them too. So I got this really cool little like Lego set. And it still has like all the pieces like brand new inside. And I am like really excited about this little Totoro thing that I'm gonna be making and displaying. I really like this one with the watermelon. I think that is so cute. So I'm really excited. This, how much was this thing? This thing didn't have a sticker on it. I think they gave it to me for like 99 cents, which I think is a pretty good deal. So yeah, little Totoro thing. These are like so expensive too when you buy them in store. Anything like Totoro's like pricey. So very excited to find that guy. And I'm just like picking things up at random. Now this is another thing that's kind of like whimsical that I really liked, especially because I come from a family that loves Disneyland, Mickey Mouse, especially my nephew's obsessed. So this is amazing to find. Now this, I don't know, is it coming up? Can you guys see it? It's actually like a Mickey hand and it's a rice scooper. We eat rice every day, and this is perfect for the rice scooper. We have a rice maker. Just stick this on the little corner on the side of it and use this to pick up the rice. The kids are gonna get the kick out of it. They love it. I love it. And this is cool because it's from Tokyo Disney Resort. So this came all the way from Tokyo Disney. I guess it was 500 yen, and at the Goodwill it was only $4. So I thought this was a really cool find, and I cannot wait to show it to the kids and use it when we scoop out the rice for dinner tonight. So, ooh, check that out in the vlog. I'll show you guys like how the kids react to this in the vlog. I think they're really gonna like it. So, very excited about that. Up next, I have a love of turtles. I don't know what it is. When I was little, I know that I was obsessed with Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, and I found this really cute little jar, or not jar, but a container. A silver turtle shell container. I don't know, you can put candies in here. You can use this as a jewelry box. You can do a lot of things with this. Set it on a pile, like on a little stack of books, on a countertop, on your dresser, on a console table. I have like a little collection of turtle things going on. I have a couple turtle planters. I have a cast turtle shell like decor piece. And now I have this cool guy that I think I'm going to put him in the library. I think that's where he's going to look the best. And so cool, look at that. And it was $8. And I don't know where this is from. It just says you can't use it for food. So only decorative purposes only. Oh, okay. Also, I found this. So my Goodwills in Orange County that I visit, they do get a lot of items from Target, and these items are not like used or anything, but they're like returned or items that are damaged in store or whatever. The Goodwill purchases these items from Target at a really low cost, and then they resell them in the store, and that's where this came from. I got this for 99 cents. It was just in like a big bucket of like makeups, lotions, and stuff like that. And this is a L'Occitane hand cream. And this is perfect. I used it and I really like it. Okay, so this L'Occitane hand cream is awesome. I'm just gonna leave it inside the car because I always feel like whenever I'm in the car, my hands always get really dry for some reason, and this is perfect and it works really well. Other than this one, I really liked the, what is it called? The EOS hand lotion that I got from the Goodwill as well. I just buy my hand lotions from the Goodwill. But yeah, I think L'Occitane, I think this is supposed to be really expensive. So got it for a really great deal, which I am very excited about. And up next, I picked this up actually for one of you guys. You messaged me about it in a video, and I had to pick it up for you. So here it is. I'll have this up in the shop for you in a jiffy. And it's so pretty. I was almost gonna buy it myself, but I honestly just forgot about it and set it down. So I think it's because I didn't have a cart yet, and I was like, gosh, this thing weighs like 8 million pounds. And it's really cool. It's a beautiful vase, and it's actually ceramic, and it weighs like a ton, and it has just like a wood look to it, which I think is really pretty, and it kind of looks like an onion, right? I think it's really cool. So there's that. And this guy was $6. I'm just gonna set him down here. I feel like I'm gonna break him. Okay, so there's that. Oh, okay, while we're on the topic of vases. So I have been kind of obsessed with this vase for quite some time. This is a Target vase. And this guy was $10 at the Goodwill. $10. But finally, now that I went, the color of the week was yellow. So this guy was half off. And I'm so excited. I really love this piece. For some reason, I really like the look of like the white and the blue. You guys know white and blue is my favorite decor combination at the moment, and I think this is going to be very nice to add to the collection. I like it because it's more of an abstract piece. My other pieces I feel are very classic in style and silhouette and shape and everything, and I feel like this is going to be something cool and modern to kind of break it up but still match. And then I want to use this as kind of like intermediary between mixing my blue and white vases that have blue and white in them and mixing in just like white vases with maybe a little bit of a more modern look. And I think this is gonna like totally marry all those things together, and I think it's gonna be perfect. So I can't wait to use this inside the house. It's really pretty. And again, this was $5. Oh, okay, and also when we were in the store, there was this giant orange and like natural like off-white colored rug, and it was only $20. I did get it, but it's still sitting inside the car. It's really big, so I couldn't bring it. It's like it's literally still in there. So I'll show you guys how that looks in a vlog probably going up this week. I still haven't decided where I want to put it. I was thinking about putting it inside my room, but now that I redid the loft, which if you haven't seen that video yet, check it out. It went up yesterday. I'll try to remember to have it linked right there. But I redid the loft in yellows and like grays and like more neutral kind of cool tones, and like the yellows like the pop. I'm thinking about introducing the orange into that room, so it'll be like yellow, orange, and gray. I don't know if it'll be too much though. But I feel like it would be kind of cool, and it'll really brighten up that space. And I think gray and orange look really good together, and yellow, so gray, orange, and yellow. But I don't know, what do you guys think? I think it would be really cool, but I haven't decided yet. I just wanted a new rug for my room because I think I want like, I don't know, I want like more of a warm color in here. And everything in here is pretty much like gray and like kind of like beige and white. So I like an injection of color. So I'm going to decide where I'm going to put that. But I did get it. It was $20, but it's still sitting inside my car right now. And the next item I have to show you guys is this really cool Target pillow. I really like it. I'm not sure if this is an outside pillow or not, but I'm probably going to be using it outside. This was $7.99, so it was $8, but it was half off because it was yellow. So this was $4. I really like this striped pillow, and I like how it has the hints of like the orange in it. So I don't know, I might leave this in my room, who knows. Might go well with the orange rug, and I'll bring in the blues and whites with the orange. And the next item I have here, now I thought this was super duper cool, and I have to clean it, but it's this really cool leaf, like serving platter bowl. I really like it because it kind of looks like a monstera kind of like leaf, and it's really nice. So it has like, I don't know if it's coming off my camera, but there's like kind of like gray marks in it. And I remember someone told me to try to use a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser on this. So I am going to try and do that, and we'll see if that comes out. Again, I'll do that in a vlog, and we'll do that together and see if it works. And if it does, it's going to be like a total game changer for this. So I really like this face though. So even with the marks on it, I think it's still really pretty. And I think it would be really nice to serve like a salad in here. Pasta, whatever, what have you, I think would be awesome in this piece. Okay, I only have a few items left. The next item I have to share with you guys is this really cool Tory Burch blouse. Now it has like the Tory Burch buttons, and it's ruffled around the collar and like all down the front. It's just like in a nice gray, so kind of just like a nice like a little, almost like a polo, but like with an edge. So I think it's really cool. It's a size medium. So fortunately it's not going to fit anyone in like my family. I don't think it's not going to fit mom, and it's going to be too big for my sister. But I think I'm going to have this up in the shop if anyone's interested. I got this for $5.99. And I think it's going to look really cute. I don't know why like the buttons are undone. I want to like button them up so you guys can see like how it looks with the buttons. I think this is just such a cool, kind of like unique shirt. I haven't seen one like this before, I think. Not like kind of like in this style. So I'm going to button it all the way up so you guys kind of get a good visual on how it looks. I think it's really cute. Like you don't have to obviously button up all the way. I think you could probably like do it like that and it would be super cute. So what do you guys think? What are your thoughts on this? I really like it. So there's that. Then I have one last item to share with you guys. And of course it's a handbag. I had to find at least one, right? So this one was behind the register. And it is this beautiful black B. Mikowski bag with silver harbor. And believe, like, what's funny is I actually found the small version of this. This is the large version. Sold I think the small one I've already sold before in the past. And I think it was a few months ago. But I just love the hardware on this bag. Like, look at that cool hardware on there. It's really nice. I love all the details. The leather is so soft, and this bag is in fantastic condition. And it's super soft and nice to carry on your shoulder, and it holds a ton. Perfect for work, perfect for school, travel, whatnot, and have you. Like, and it zips all the way across the top, which is really nice too. So that's like perfect for travel. I love it. Like bags for travel, I really want them to be able to zip all the way across the top because you never know what's gonna happen. Someone could just like put their hand in there, and when you have that zipper top, it just brings you like an extra level of like reassurance that your bag is like, you know. So I got this guy, and this one was $7.99. And this is going to round out today's haul video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and checking out my finds from the Goodwill. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments below what your favorite item was that we found. And let me know if you guys have found anything really cool recently, because I love hearing about your finds as well. And if you guys enjoyed the video, again, don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button to be notified when new videos do go up. And I do have a vlog going up today at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and a new thrifting video tomorrow at 7 a.m. bright and early. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys then. Bye! This is a faux botanical. Oh, it's $17.99 though. That is pricey. Looks pretty good though. Oh, I love all the pink stuff. Like, If I was seeing a pink motif, I would totally collect all that pink stuff and do that up inside the house. Why is this? Okay, obviously it's like shining, shimmering, splendid. I'm like obsessed. Also, the color of the week is yellow, so anything yellow tag right now is gonna be half off. Oh, reindeer.